Troubling news for Kern County after a new report shows our community is failing to take the necessary steps to stop the spread of COVID-19. And it could make a big difference in how soon we flatten that curve. 17's Alex Fisher explains why.
You've heard doctors stress the importance of social distancing, and it appears that message isn't getting through to many in Kern. Our county received an F today for social distancing. That's according to Unicast. The company's website says it collects data from app partners. We're one of the worst counties in the nation when it comes to practicing the guidelines. That means more people in our community are not listening to those guidelines to stay at home and stop the spread of coronavirus. At our best, the county received a C. That was less than 3 weeks ago when the county announced its first cases of coronavirus and the governor issued the stay-at-home order. Since then, things have gotten worse. We've seen people not practicing social distancing in Kern. Even businesses considered non-essential have kept their doors open. That includes a local gym owner who was cited for not complying with the orders to close during this health crisis.
I pretty much made a commitment that I would hold my ground and not close until such a time that the police actually got involved.
Our state was one of the first in the nation when it came to implementing extreme measures to reduce the spread of the virus, and it appears to be working. California's curve is getting smaller, meaning we could see the end of this sooner than originally anticipated. That's according to data from the Institute for Health Metrics. But doctors warn the worst is still days away, meaning social distancing is more important now than ever.
The more we social distance, the more we stay away from each other, the later the peak comes, and it's not going to be as high. So these are some of the things that we've been preaching this whole time, and we've got to make sure we manage to the best.
Kern joins 9 other counties in the state that received an F. Meantime, counties in the Bay Area, including Marin, San Francisco, and Santa Clara counties, received A-minuses. Those counties have some of the most cases in the state, with dozens of deaths. Law enforcement in those counties are also citing people who do not practice social distancing. California as a whole received a C. The country received the same grade. Washington, D.C. is doing the best at social distancing with an A-. Nevada, Vermont, and New Jersey follow close behind with a B. Wyoming is doing the worst with an F. Reporting for 17 News, I'm Alex Fisher.